ZTV Ubwansu Bwumugusi. Isato chabono botuko intunde ndena ndokomera na sembe kirengano go kumainga twanyare ko batu kwariganiria kurwa kete go ikirachinga kibuna echina manga to kwariganite SMS itema yakorende tikatonyore igatiri to kwariganite senchira yobenge.
Anantura asieka maoni, we will still welcome written memoranda, submissions na maoni and-ons.
Murobiri bugusangiririe birengereri gore muswada we finance bill 2024-2025 me county ya Kisii go chakase chinsemo ao.
Yo indegera bana abanyoro bokonye na batera abana bakaiga batayikunyara kende pi. Ikiyaga umwana umuke mbona grade 8. Oyo wonde ndi grade 2. Oyo wonde naka mwana gake gataramanya kende kuna bono isakwete ere gakita mari nkigendereta. Iyagonya gokiesa otayikoranga ningikere.
Yamateye mukuru wa se wodi echuni ko bolio bwaene guchaso mwancho bonyara ko bagosirio bugima kubatakana ko gweru mote.
We have given a service, we have a right to be paid, we have what deductions that have been made to be remitted where they're supposed to go. So if the national government is not remitting money, then they should return us to the national government.
Amatuko 18 mu bwateri gwakana bakorie mere mwase sector yo bachenwa chi county a ikiombe keri KMPD kenyere ko bagikoraria.
Anantura asieka maoni, we will still welcome.
Ayo manande amango mancho moligera yango kwaligania senchire bwikiro nyara ko bago gusanga amona into getarase mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News na bwege website ya www.ndizitv.net. Ulitoko bataranere kensemo ya kabere kona kinga chibichamule gichago chira senchire bwikira nusara mu manjilire mo sena bwigo agende tokoba kone kinga go chira getarase monwa bwebi manjilire tirane goro kwa Josephat Amisi. Nigo omo togo chakakura se county ya Kisii mwanchomo ligira nigo mo sangirekano onyara ko bago kubaleta amo ababwatani na bateneneri ba sector ya boda boda ase county ya Kisii anene kurwa sensemo chisamo chiria echibadete municipality otanyara ko bago go ikiranigwa ekerenga kiae nengo bwatekana na sector yobo sombi kurwa se county ya Kisii kobwatoka anene enchera era chikobage kobeka emerobelio ya obosombi bwabo tambe korengana n'abanyakirogo abo nigo bateba buna nigo bylaws icyanyara ko bachiko batokwa cyanyara ko bachingongu ase bari nabo igo kulira ngati bari go chikoba bago chibwatya nigo batebire nigo account ya Kisii yanyara ko bage korobere nga nigo yagachete anene ebibanda ebyo abana boda boda abo barachikoba ba koremeremo yabo korwa korendeho ikirabona igo tiberanyara ko ba bikonde kiwase chisemo chinyinge nonye nabo nigo banyare ko bagutukuterare anene gati yemero biriyo kweneki ngabanyare ko bagotangwa gutaita egati ye chibara aho cyo kigotoka imeyo bogatagati omuche obosongo nigo bona batebire nago tukuterara roboti oru nago tebanga nigo barachiko bakugendera amo na machiko hariyo konye hagendete ko bakobara ikinga kibagendeta muno bosombi bwabo bwakiralitiko.
Litukoria rero etwanyorete information ngato ichaiga culture hall elinde elio tochikokora public participation muna twaikaiga tweguchi document obo maena abana baminto muna twarigeri chi document yechi amangana ari kireime abagatanga ne by law ego chiko deal na mangana transport sector lakini kero korigereria document ye bintu bireime ne ebyo koumiso morundia bwe pigipigi oyo kobogori chi customer as a municipality yaito ya Kisii muna bono ebagoteba nga monto to basa gotoka as a stage goeta njida ekaikomi erichi kokie igani na ubago chiko kwa chi customer kobogori aya na namba ibere dichi koride kotanga moeta ni batato as a shade whereby shade sijikora tiki
Jio bono tutaramanya gwikera boniga chikanire tutwari gochigoeta namba ibere ngote awore nga chishedi nchibekira se town ya itasi tuguchigotenena na machiko narasi chishedi echo nambe ya moshedi echo ntorachirora na machika intoranyamanya
ina ikirega kinga chiribobe sana asengencho amachika bekirega iganga nechi proposal enegento kere punitive gento kere geta etokoto sari kurue town yani in short bantu bechi pigi mbata kiri gotoke town asik nambe yamo chi fine babegete gaiga nga yokorusi chamba to chikondo chikwakaneri boisirini nga manyoro ororo monto bwe account gako bwato monto chikomo boli ngako boli nga kwa mo distracted from discharging duties I no reliable gwako fine ya 20,000 na motageta igo we reject this document in totality totageti ko kerora yani ase bali bagatanga tokianga imokeria makoro
boda power boda power boda power
Tutakarite county ya Kisii nigo muroberio bugusangiriria ebirengererio igoro yokorosigwa gwe budget y'umwaka w'ibiciro 2024 onyarakabago gwikirani wabo ikiranu asensemo area gusa sub county ya Kitutu chache South asechiabisi chia county ya Kisii echigotoka sensemo ya Moso chegati yaba menyi bensameyo abanyarakabago gwikirana sensameyo nigo abanyarakoba bakoborie serikali nyareko bage korigereria bwagare chinchira era nyareko bage gotumeka eliogo sangeria enibo asinchira yobo ikiranu nonyana bo nigo banyarako bakoborie serikali boige nyareko bage goticha emegwende yonsi yo ekwene kiabuna obokurumi bwe chibesa ichikuru obune bango ochiase obotenerwe county yabo bisaba nyarako bakora umuroberio yo nigo banyarako bakorie irange birengereri byabo mbichiko babiko nyarako babikorigerirwa asobo ikiranu nabo igo amoncherero achikobaga kweneke unago tumanyo muri kito dipon asanya
asomoro bilio bogo sangele birengererio kurwase common mwana inchi gori finance bilio mwako yo imeje bunge ya Kitutu chache South bamenyi bensemeyo ni gobe sokiana gusanga amaganyo abo ao chese serikali ya county ya Kisii inziyo mu governor Paul Simba Arati
asamalieta nkuru kustela choki ingokora egachase kyombe ya sikom dero gotwarenge musotso gaiga ase sub county ase ngenje gusanga ebirengererio nokonyora maoni korusa abantu igoro ye finance bill 2024
nanyina bo nigo baboririe serikali ya county kurigereria sobo ime abantu bali bamenyete noborema
muntu narwa maoni abo munanga kibatagete especially kuruto kurigereria abalemafu ngaki adjustments kitotagete chikorwe especially agaruto kurigereria byombe bibyogo konya abali batari kwenyara sebinyoro
chiga kecho nigo bego basegete serikali koinekyanga abamenyi bonsi be county ya Kisii babwatranigwa sobwamo igoro yo murebero yoiga
samaleta ngoro kuna jaras kabagendi ngokorega asiase kyombe gatalia serikali ke kuna a million hugs lero nacha ko represent the youth na myself as a public participation yana njembe berengera libyana as a finance bill ya 2024 obo ganikuwa noko nini kokorenga county government inyale kobeke document ya se website ndelio bali batali konyora libagali go just public participations banyale konyora as a website ndeli banyale konyosoma na gwetera na ko rwibirengera libyabo asengenjo kero mwana inji na bwendete kurwibirengera libya
lyokonyora magenderero niga abantu bonsi baborigwe kubwatika serikali ya county anene asugwa kana ebango
Degento kingencho kero umuntu wakane ebango ikyagere kero to wakane ebango gotugwetinira na tutwara magendero ase county yaitu igo ukurangeri gwitu kuchia sekero umuntu nga karwe ebango bena bangine kero to ko ni chinyini ali echiro akana chibesa chigende county libagokorwa siringi 20 ase omufuko bw'omonto igo gwasaliri amagendera ali gocha kugendera ase county.
Abamenyi be county ya Kisii ondatatikiri maega ngo baire libaga lya bene liokorotota amagenderero korwa se serikali.
Ane turasieka maoni, we will still welcome written memoranda, submissions na maoni and-ons nonye no mwananchi omugusii osomenyete Gusii osomenyete Kisii County, and I actually invite you to demand for services because your duty is to pay taxes. Then our duty is to deliver services to you. So pay taxes, demand for services.
Ginko ripoteria Ndizi TV korwega sicha bisi cha Kitutu South ichotoka imeje bunge ya Kitutu Chache South imeje county ya Kisii litirana enkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Biamuno muliki oito Dipona Sanya imehie county ya Nyamira nigo mugabano be county yo ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo litukorera Nyarakoba wikirana bosio bwa ekamiti yo botume kigwe kibesa ye senate asanya Rakobaga koerera enchera kibesa kigenda takoba kigutumeka imeye county yo ya Nyamira nigo Nyariba Nyarakoba gakonyora ekibarua egekongu kigima koiraniria igati ya amabolyo aseboigo abisi yaye nabo bisabali Banyarakoba wikirana senseme yibatatu ara anene amarisiti na chiroboti echo chire ya Nyarakoba chikwenekia aneno botumeki bwa kibesa senseme yogati abo okobara we bank statement enchira abo bisa boboteneribe county Nyamira Banyarakoba gutumeka kibesa ase emerobelio a yamagendro na boigo elia ya Nyarakoba gekweneka ngabara Banyarakoba gosoka isko county ya Nyamira ase obo koreri bwa serikali eyo nonye nabonigo oboteneri bwa committee eyo ise yaye omoseneta bwe county ya Viga Banyarakoba bakoenana na inderi bagalinde gukiase oboteneri bwe county ya Nyamira bochikoba bokorotota egati ye chiriboti nabo igo oemerobelio emekirano helio nande bachikoba bagwikirana abosio bwa bunge eyo ye senate ase chingaki barachikoba bagotabigo nainde.
And then there was a query that was raised on proof of financial statement submissions on time. I did not see that for the year June 22 and June 2023. I don't know whether those documents were submitted late.
But for that particular year?
For the 2 years, it's not there. So how do you make a conclusion that the issues are resolved? Put it. Because yesterday I was watching on TV and authentication of documents was raised by the Auditor General as a very critical issue. So how do you want me as Senator of Nyamira to confirm that the issues are resolved if those documents are not there? How do I...
Chair, page 5 of our report.
So 2021 was never done?
Yeah, it was never there, Chair. Yes.
They never did for 2021?
For 2021, yes.
Chair, something to note. The monies were just been formed, so some of these compliance issues had not been grasped properly.
So when was the municipal gazetted?
2019.
2019. And operationalized when?
2020, 2021.
Nakyo mugaba nago sinyukorwa a bank statement. No ninje bona gani ntakako endese ebenki. Nsabe bank statement yana ko 2019 wakabona. Ikonko uchospi. Lakini bona ntu modi kama venga gavana okanire tabuga ti bank statement. Ngekine egenda ko chako venga tabuga ti nchira ko enda chiko bank statement. Toko bolinga chiripoti chia rweterende mekutana karo mwamenya Kisumu amatuko 20 ngai chiripoti chire tuoro kirende ngimwa jeta ko somi wa matukayo twate banga ntunto bwati report ngai yebinte bere abantu abamwakanete chibesa ngamba bwate board meetings karibu milioni 1570 ya kanire buna sitting allowances lakini supporting documents omodito savire nchi.
And even though the accountant, you have offered an explanation,
but it is the directive of the committee that the auditor will revisit this matter by verifying all the documents that have been provided, including the originals, because the auditor has stated that these documents were not provided to him. He only got to see this document when he was preparing to come here. But the documents was not given to him during the audit process and even after the audit process. That is why he indicated the query has not addressed. But because of the inconsistencies that are there, the committee directs that Governor
was sent to the county of Nyamira have not been applied.
Yongati yali nyarakobaga kwene kigwase bunge ya Senate ndirago sembelenga obuteni bwe county Nyamira mbochiko bukorobelia boikiranu nabo igabanyarakoba kwereneria amabolia yo korengana na aba senator ngabanyarakoba bakora obolingoli obubwabo. Ase sekta ya boda boda ni gobono omonyekero go boda boda kurwase orosagia rua masaba no tuyibo igore omo coordinator Sorongo rua Nyanza aselieta Dominic Baba nyade kobaga kugikiria ebikoro bya bwango iga ebyegendera ko bikwenekiwa ogosaganwa kwa igati y'ababwatani ba boda boda kinga kibagendera muno bokari bwabo bwakira lituko kwana kurwase chia bisi chia orosagia orwase county ya Nyamira ni gwanyale kobaga koboria abanyanyimba ne kurwase bita seni ebigotoka se ensemo eyo ya masaba abanyale ko bakubwaterana amone sekte ya boda boda ile kwendeka abanyale ko bagotinya oborendi oboikiranu senseme yo sebo iganyale ko baga kugikiria egati y'abanyanyimba abagana to bakubwaterana mona basalia bwo asate biri nkamba chikoba bakwendeka abanyale ko bagwasioria egati yabo bisabo babanyanyimba abagenda to bago sirio mlemba sensemeyo ne sekte boda boda.
Asama redangoro ku Dominic Babu umunyakero bo boda boda sub county ya Masaba North na ndende coordinator ya Nyanza region ya mangana boda boda association of Kenya. Amurambare bache de stage go Sahal boda boda stage baga kajibigi bigi mwana boda boda wake bigi bigi yo mwana boda boda mwa bakanye yolinzi kera banda baito ba boda boda bana bakalika bakoliko pe bakaba mbaba koliko tumuna boda boda nduna bantu sike tamachiko na ande twanje ko bwati dichiko bwango gantu mena ne torwe directions ngakitora abeto kolegas ndenge tubura iwa Masaba no timboro obisi bo kolegas na ande to speed yari kokona amanyo bura iwa Masaba no timboro kera magosa abeiro manyanga korangeli na OCS ase Masaba no to waji police station inye lakini ya police station ya mwana tu abere to gotwara nere mechande ya keroka police station muna ntu abana boda boda ba Masaba no na ro sa mo solicitor general ito no le serikali ime kero ko igure boda boda to kolera igo mwango yange tigarete kebege ndekebe uso nyumege ndekebe getaraji go to koleka nando tagete aba sigari go se omo speed ito okeroka o Masaba no na umo OCS okeroka police station ba manyobora iwa boda boda mboro na ne mubwenete go siku na ande kikatiba tadi lazima togo sabato siku etoro kikatiba tuna bantoro office kikatiba egende ko era ngukwanega aba muna abona chieba muna bale babere group bakwena banyora sabana boda boda baro baba kazi aba wakili baito baro bono ndore de ariko enda kende yonsikira abeke to ende court egendo nalgo saba abantu baito ba boda boda onde bwens tatishi uno onde bwens ta korane ta nyegeri kuta tatishi wati mwana boda boda mwango mobwata ali goseko moseli no commander inspector general of police na omo waziri Professor Kiture Kindike nomo PSO ito the son of the soil PSO Molo. It is high time we need serious action in the town of Keroka.
Togoska mutwe nigo amate ya makurase kenyaro kiageta ikigotoka se ward ya Ichuni imeya ebunga ya nyalibali Masaba egenderete kobage koboria obwene anene guchaso mwancho bonyalete koba gusiri bugima kubatakana no kogwerwa omote kolengana na barabo omwancho yobo omusacho b'emyaka ya igatwani ganyalete koba gusiri bugima bwaye abego gotiga magega eyamate ya yegati yabo abana abakekegima abono bagendete koba bagoichanera anene chinchira abana bo barachikoba bagokinigwa asibanyare koba bakorera nganya gusiranere urenge okwerigeria na kurigeria enka eyo yaye nonyera bo nigo banyare koba bakomomochia omonyene omoto yo nyarete koba gukugwa sebatebire no mogori bo moto ibweka oyo nyarire koba gagwesokia na nene koba bwatesia elio kobeka emeroberio yokonekia buna banyare koba bakomwenia omwanchwa obo nigo banyare koba koboria abarai nonde bwensi obwate okuganio kuyanyare koba gagwesokia na kobwate sielinde banyare koba goikirania emeroberio emikiranu yokomwenia omwanchwa
mwana yose ano mwana omurominto ekiagera no mwana tuabwate ekingu bikiekanyoro egine ekingu kiento kukiaga ndaliraba ekiagera no moto ikogera gasia gokora ndabona abunkwirigeria arenge yaite kwirigeria ekigoto konyoro mwana nga nigagitwega bakubutora omote ekero omoto okogwa akamya gokiesa omoto okogwa ukamugwira mpaka ukamurara ukamusenyenta ango mubiri omugima ekia omwana ogu nasirite esaha maiga aria amasege esaha kugacha omote bari abanyene omote ekigoto okubarangeria abana mbari gocha ori bweka ogorete omote ne arogeta atubwatia karanga nkiya koba mpaka bono iga oiya ese omote omugwirete ekera abantu b'emidia bagochioro niga bakobatenga chisese kiro chintindi sana mpata getonda soro inde media chikubwata ole nkegenderete nabo tukumetinga iki inki ose babange bagokanira ekiagera nya serikali gweto obokonyi inki bagokanira enda abantu mbachio indegera abana abanyoro bokonyi buna batera bara abana abakeiga bataikunyara kende pi yokumuranje eserikali yo minto gavana Simba mheshimiwa Manduko mheshimiwa Jose Wycliffe Siocha mheshimiwa Donis Aburi no mheshimiwa Momoima kumuranje gato igatiga abana baraba kemono abana basini bataikunyara kende munarange tegamiro yenka kumuranje gato ko basabanya mwekonyarekana motokonya kuranje na no mushibo no musikuriyo y'umukibunole no mucyo taikunyara pi
Togotikana nayo nigo maraibense Daktari William Ruto mona baraibande kurwa sorogongorwa Afrika bagendeta monetaro yabo asense ya China ziritkolya rero nigo banyara koba gutwara egeikiranu ase abarayabo banyara koba bakwerera obuya bwanyare koba bokorekana kubatukana na obwa matubuya bagendeta koba gotingwa TNC ya Kenya nabo igo chinse chinde chiorogongorwa Afrika nabo igo NCO ya China sense moya ye nigo Ruto nyara koba gakogokera egetambo kirekenyere kobe kwene kigwa kurwa sense ya China asabanyere koba kwena libagali kirano elio kubaterana ase chi sector hagati ya bensemo elia yobonjoreria.
Further, I take this opportunity to commend the strong vision and effective leadership through which His Excellency President Xi Jinping has made unique contributions to the strengthening of cooperation between Africa and China, particularly through the Belt and Road Initiative and the 4 global initiatives which encompass a broad range of transformative undertakings in development, security, and culture, and for the wide-ranging statement and the 10-point partnership action plan that encompasses China's support for Africa to access concessional resources and credit facilities, and for opening up China's market to those of us in the African continent. It is a measure of true friendship that our agricultural produce can access Chinese markets. Without a doubt, the impact of the programs and projects under BRI is demonstrable, significant, and positive across the African continent from north to south.
Igoro yo bwamate bwainse ya China na Kenya ni igoro tanyara kobaga koherera igati yemerobele serikali ya China yanyere kobage wikirani mese ya Kenya gati yabo obwagachi anene bwa standard railway gauge iyo yanyara kobage wikirani gwa sechinsemo imeyense ya Kenya niko biganyara kobago togiense ya China kubwatakana na omorobelyo bwagachi bwechi bara cha ekerero icho chigendrete koba chiko gusuya anene gurube enene yobo sombi imeyense ya Kenya.
In Kenya, for example, we have, with the support of and funding of China under BRI, completed 600 kilometers of standard gauge railway. We have completed phase 1 of Lamu Port. We have also completed a modern oil terminal in the port city of Mombasa, the expressway, and we have also completed thousands of kilometers of road connecting rural to urban Kenya, farms to markets, and transporting raw materials to manufacturing industries. The relationship between China and Africa and Kenya in specific is so real that this year, early this year, when I went to one of our rural towns, and the citizens were asking me for an airstrip. When I asked them where they wanted to travel to if the airstrip is built, they said they wanted to travel to China. And when I later found out, it was because the road in their neighborhood had been built with Chinese support, with a Chinese contractor. That is the depth of the...
Toska motweni go serikali enene yanyare kobage kuboli benyare kobage kubwatoka chibesa asechinga kichiwernete ochiase obotereniri bwechi county buna enchira yambayo kwenekia emerobelio yabo tambe yamagendere nyare kobage koeneki okwana seli tkolero omoteneri osomonya kero gobwa abagavano iboigo ole omugavana we county ya Kirinyaga ani waigoro niganyare koba igagoteba chi county chinyinge nigo chira chikoba chigwete makongo kubatakana no koborwa gwa echibesa nengana baganyara kobage gosirwa amonere omugavana we county ya Tharaka Nithi oyiboigo onyara kobaga kogendera komoche serikali asogokeania ekerengo giechibese chigenderete chibweneta koba chikubwato kwa osia sechi serikali chechi county ni gomugavana yanyara kobaga teba ni gomerobelie menge ebure no kugania okone bwechibesa sechi serikali chechi county ngana banera chikobage kwirira okwera na maiga kwemerobelia magendero
kwa sababu ya vile finance bill ilikuwa ilirudishwa. Ile proposal tumepewa inapunguza zile pesa ambazo county zilikuwa nazo mwaka jana na bilioni 5. Yani wanatarajia kupatia county bilioni 380. Na ningependa kuhimiza ya kwamba tukifanya hivyo kutakuwa na huge problem of disparity in the counties. Yani county hazitaweza kutimiza ahadi zao kwa wananchi. Mimi ningeomba Senate na pia National Treasury waangalie ya kwamba the minimum that the counties should receive should not go below what they had in the year 2023-2024.
Tukipunguzwa pesa kutoka 385 na tuongezewe kazi ambayo tunafaa kufanya na hiyo pesa. Hiyo pesa itatoka wapi ama ni kusema tufunge counties? Mimi nataka kuambia Senate na National Assembly wakati tunaenda ku debate na kujadiliana katika kupeana hiyo pesa, tukumbe kwamba kila mtu ametoka county ni zetu, na isipokuwa museme tufunge counties. Counties require additional funds to 400+ billion to be able to meet even the basic requirements. Hiyo ndio tunaomba, na nafikiria Wakenya wanasikiza, wale wako Senate, wale wako National Assembly, na pia rais wetu pia najua anasikiza, kwa sababu we are one government and we are only asking for money to serve.
Togoska motwe bono nigo abakori emeremo n'abanyagitari kurwa sechi county banyareko bakora renga nigo barachikoba bagochaka umugirobo asamatuko 18 aremotwe onye chiserikali chechi county dirigo chikoba chiko bakana anene chibesa chabagati yabo emeshara bakoragwa amona ekyombe kelie kya KMPDU nigo bono kyanyareko bagekwana na matuka 18 sebatabire chiserikali chonsi chechi county chisadanyara kwa chiko bakana chibesa abakori emeremo anene abanyagitari chinyareko bachiko kora igo asobwango nabo igo goikerania ebechira cyo banyarete koba bakuriera abakori emeremo yanigo chiremage ya omogiro bwa aborokia onyara koba gogo tuguterware ko bwatakana na okobwatana gokwerana emeremo kwanyara kobo kobekwa gatie serikali kyombekeria Teacher Service Commission nabwe kyombekeria kyaborokia yakupe.
We have given a service, we have a right to be paid, we have what deductions that have been made to be remitted where they're supposed to go. So if the national government is not remitting money, then they should return us to the national government. Because if the money is the national government, let us go back there. So we will not listen to stories. As we have worked as workers, and the responsibility of the employer is to ensure that our welfare is maintained and we are paid salaries on time and all the deductions are remitted. That's all. We are not going to compromise the welfare of our members. We are ready to fight, and we're going to put in a serious fight.
And the month of August, to do so in arrears within 14 days from today. We have also asked that all those counties that illegally have been withholding the statutory deduction for all the workers to remit the same within 14 days. Otherwise, today we are saying that all the health workers, that is the nurses, the doctors, the clinical officers, the lab technicians, the morticians, and everyone, and the public health officers will be out of work as they demand for the justice to be implemented, as they demand for these things to be implemented, as they...
Mwanchomorigire togoska motweni go ekombe keria yokorwania obokurume imeyense ya Kenya KCC kinareko bage ko bwatoke kura tentinde go chiase abakori emeremo kurwa se department of sector elie ye chindemero anene kurwa sensemelia ya South Rift kolengana barabo nigo bagotebanga gati yabo bisabo nigo bagende tokoba bakubwatirana amone gati yabakurume sensemeyo eliokogendera koiba na koira chindemere cho chirikire se title deed ya serikali anigo chire magega ye kyombe kya siritkolia lero kenyara kobage koirania bene endemero yechie kaibire nenusu korwa echo eyo konyara jagolerwe amo nabantu bakagere koba bakubwaterana amo nabo bisabu ba endemero nyaro ni banyara koba kobolia abamenyi bensemi ya South Rift banyara koba maiso sekeli batabire nige gati yabo bisabo igo bagenda tokoba bakwero kabo bisa bayesi sia bagenda tokoba gwetana na senseme yo nabo igo kogendra koba bakogenderia nechimbo chiria chobokurumi.
Cannot go to the ministries of lands and change records or make records. It means they work in cahoots with the land officers, especially the land registrars, land adjudication officers. We have land settlement officers. We have demarcation officers. We have even the land control boards who sit and discuss and pass the land in their books.
And we are working on the government land, the inventory of government land, especially the houses. There are so many houses which are occupied by public servants in the 70s and 80s, and which they ended up converting to private use. So we'll look for all those records, and we will hand them over to the EACC so that that recovery process can be done.
Raboti oru rwekyombe kelia kia EACC mwancho morigerelia na rogoto ikelio mweli obwa mangana maiya senchire wikirano chisesa toche bono botuko ngeli bagere ko gwakiranga mbiemo na sokone konyera ko bogosanga amona intwe amaiya yana bigimero bali togenda takoba to kwariganilia korwa bwakete goikera chinga kibuna echi tu batrana mona bariki baito bamangana amaiya helio kwenekia buna twanyere ko bato koretera senchira yobo ikiranwa bange bari bari tuko bagusanga muna itu gutera se mitandao mbye muno kigima kati yabo ni Moroche ni kode masoto tukurwa chinsemo chirie cheirianyi otamba goteba Messi ni gotore nogo ichano konene kubatakana nogo sira kumoga katata tubono tugukoganeria na inturende pole sana nabo igo chinga kichi chia amakongo nabo igo bokendo bonene onyara ko bagotwara okore migwa gwenchere yoboyi kerano saramo manyi ensemo ya kabiro no eneki abuna chibichamanero gichago chira senchira yoboyi kerano lidemose nero nyara kobaga kwene kinga gochero gwetara somunwa bwebi manyeriria negoro kwa Josephat Messi na koganirie oboligererio buyana boigo obotuko borobotoerero